Hi there, today we're looking at the latest Dynabook Tecra laptop. Now Dynabook laptops formerly went under the name Toshiba, and those who have been around for a while might remember the Toshiba Satellite Pro, Toshiba Tecra, Toshiba A50-J. Certainly 20 years ago I remember having Toshiba Satellite Pros, very robust workhorse. Those who were in management at the time would get the A50-J, which was the a bit more flashy, more portable, but less powered, in my view, stylish, the more stylish type of laptop. The Tecra model sat above the Satellite Pro and comparable to the A50-J, but with a bit more enterprisey stuff. And by enterprise, I mean things that enterprise administrators like. So in this case, with the brand new Tecra, or the brand new Dynabook, it includes TPM, the latest 11th gen Intel Core, Windows Hello for different sign-on methods, including, of course, passwordless keys, of which, here we go, have one here. If you set up Windows Hello, then you can use your biometric YubiKey. Anyway, here we go. This is the nice brand new Dynabook Tecra laptop, and as you can see, very slim, very attractive. In fact, yes, full-size keyboard, numeric keyboard as well. So back in the day, the workers might have the Toshiba Satellite Pro, and those up above would have the A50-J, which was a bit more lightweight and portable. But today's laptops are all so high-powered. Look at this, as an ultra-portable device, this Tecra really is super light, but yet super powerful at the same time. So, as mentioned, includes a lot of enterprise-grade features, TPM, 11th Gen Core, Windows Hello for all different sign-in methods. Even has an antibacterial N-Pure IPL1 Mystic Blue finish. So it can, in this COVID-y days, and not only that, days of you just want to be hygienic in general, it includes that antibacterial finish. So this is a great laptop, and don't let the enterprise term fool you. It's also a terrific laptop for consumers, small businesses, anyone who wants rock solid reliability and value. So the Dynabook Tecra laptop, we'll have a good look at it now, taken out of the box, but it sells for around $2,000 or thereabouts, but it's certainly a high-end, portable, reliable, high-powered laptop with a lot of terrific features for people for all different use cases. So that's the Dynabook Tecra, and we'll give it a good looking at now. Thank you.